Gail Kirsten from Irvine, California.
Okay.
My question is, I love to entertain outdoors, but sometimes when my friends come over, it's either too hot or overcast and dreary. I know you can't change the weather, but do you have any tips to work around it? Thanks.
I love to entertain outdoors too, Gail, but I never do it without a backup plan. What happens if it rains? Can everybody come inside? So I never invite like 200 people, and I can only get 50 in the house. So once I've got the plan in place, I'm good. And here's the dirty little secret. It's when it happens and everybody crowds into the house against the elements, those are the best parties. Okay, what's next?
Hi, Ina, I'm Laura. We'd like to plan a party next month for about 15 to 20 people, and we could really use help with a menu.
I'm actually good on menus.
We have a surprise for our guests. After 20 years of being together, we're getting married the day before, and believe me, that's going to be a big surprise. I thank you for your help.
Wow, I'd say the cat's out of that bag. I hope none of your guests are listening. So what you're really doing is catering your own wedding, which is pretty daunting. So I would keep it extremely simple. There's something about wedding food people expect it to be very fancy. I would make something very earthy, and I'll show you exactly what I would do. I'd go to the rental store, get big long tables, put them together, and then everyone would be seated at the same table. Throw over a big green striped cloth, then get simple rental tableware like white plates, plain glasses, white damask napkins. The centerpieces couldn't be easier. Just take drinking glasses right down the middle and fill them with herbs like basil, parsley, fresh dill. I love that it's totally unpretentious. Then maybe take the surprise one step further and do big pans of turkey lasagna. It's really simple, it's very earthy. You can make them a day ahead and just bake them before the wedding. And then to go with it, just a big green salad vinaigrette, and garlic bread can also be made in advance. Then to drink, maybe a full-bodied Italian wine to go with the lasagna. This is such a great way to entertain, and I think it'd be perfect for your party. So I hope I gave you some great ideas for outdoor entertaining. It's such a gorgeous night out. Might have to plan a party